In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a table in Microsoft Loop to organize and present your data with ease. Start by opening your browser, go to Microsoft Loop and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in your workspace, look for the plus button. This is where you add new components. From the menu, select Table and a fresh grid will appear on your page. Now you can type directly into the cells, adjust rows and columns, or right-click to add and remove them as needed. Tables in Loop are super flexible. You can use them for project planning, task lists, comparisons, or team data. Since Loop is collaborative, anyone with access can view and edit the table in real time, making it perfect for teamwork. And that's it. You've created your first table in Microsoft Loop. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Loop tutorials.